Hi guys, welcome back to RRC. In my last video I took the steel buckets off the Huina 1593 and fitted the grapple and used it in one of my videos, which is quite effective. But I want to change this and I want to try in my next video. I want to give you a little snippet of what it looks like and sounds like when you use it here, but I want to put it to its test in another video as soon as the British weather gets a bit better. So as some of you may already know, this is the rock breaker attachment, which comes with the 1580. So I'm going to take the grapple off and fit this and see what it looks like. You see it. So I guess it's going to be just these bolts here to fit that on, like so. That should do it. You can't really see that can you? So sort of like that, place it there. But we'll get this grapple off first, and then see what happens. Okay. So. This nut off there. Little spanner, not very well organised. That's coming off though. That's the nut off, so just take that out there. That's that hinge down. Get a bit of a better picture there, guys. Okay, so that's that one. Now this one here is going to have my screwdriver. Just take this off. I'll take this pin out of there. Okay, we'll take that bit of the grapple off, as you can see, and I think we've got another little screw which goes there. We'll take that out. Remember to get these back in the parts bag, don't want to lose them. Okay. So that's the grapple off there, the screw there. So let me get this into probably a better position, hopefully. Now I'm thinking I'll put together with me, throw them over there. Lift this up a little bit just to get a better shot. So, the trouble is, it's hard to reach. So I'm guessing that's just going to go on there like so. Everything. Okay, so that's the pin passed through there. Just see it recessed in there, and I'm hoping my little spanner is gonna get on there and go in there. But it's not, because it's not wide enough. So guys, I think probably what I have to do is take that back out, thread that through that side, and then we can spin it round like so, and hopefully it's not as recessed so we can get it on there. Hopefully they come right through. Yeah, there's no. Okay, let's tighten there. So the next thing is that's gonna have to go through there. Oops. Okay, that's tightened on there, guys, so we can get into that. You can see that. So this wire here, where this plugs into, and that gives it its voltage. A bit longer. Now, then on the controller, which I don't know what button it is, but we'll find out. This is the there's a button on the control there that you just press and that activates it. So let's give it a go. Okay. So that's quite effective, guys. As I say, I don't know how effective it's going to be at breaking stones. I can't see it being really that effective, but certainly you can see the if we put full load down, you can see the front, the tracks lifting up off the ground there, so that's maximum pressure on the tip. So yeah, that's going to be quite good. So that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to try this attachment because I've never tried them before. I know when I did the unboxing, I did a brief view of what it did, but that wasn't connected to the actual digger working as attached. So I'm going to be giving this a try in the next week or so when the Great British weather picks up again. So yeah, so once again, guys, thanks for watching, and hope you watch the next video. Until then, I'll see you again. Bye for now.